Hey everyone, we've got an upper body and core workout today. It's only 10 minutes and you don't need any equipment for today's workout. You can find the full 3-week schedule on my website. Make sure you check it out as it's completely free with features like team challenges, fitness journals, free recipes, and more. Smash that thumbs up button for me and leave me a comment down below and share this workout with your friends, and let's get into the workout. We've got 16 exercises in this upper body workout, 20 to 30 seconds on and 5 to 20 seconds rest in between. Get ready to go into a high plank, and we'll start with a downward dog to show the tab. Start in a high plank position, then push your hips up into a downward dog, then back into a high plank, and then tap your shoulders with your hands. Make sure you engage your core.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at it.
Short rest now, and we'll move on to Breakdancer kicks. Get on all fours, then lift your knees off the mat. Now turn to one side and kick your leg up, then back to the middle and then to the other side.
Such a disgrace, I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I'll never
Flip around and rest up. Butterfly dips are next.
to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Place your feet together, then push yourself up until your arms are almost straight. Don't lock your elbows. Then lower yourself down slowly and repeat. Focus on using your triceps for this.
But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
10 seconds rest now, and we're doing a reverse plank. Place your hands right below your shoulders and now lift yourself up. Make sure your core, your glutes, and your quads are all engaged. Make sure your butt stay lifted and remember to breathe. You're doing great guys, 10 seconds rest now. Get ready to get into a low plank for Contra lateral. Lift your alternate arm and leg up at the same time. Brace your core and try to not sway from side to side. This is really great to work on your balance.
I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Short rest now, and Superman is next.
As you
Lay on your floor with your face facing the mat. Now lift both legs and arms up, then lower them down slowly and repeat. This exercise is great for the back.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's
Nice work everyone. Flip around onto your butt again, and get-ups are next.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Have one leg extended, and now lift yourself up, then reach up with one hand, then back down and repeat on the other side.
You can say I'm happy sad.
I won't miss the time that we never had.
Wishing that you told me you were down bad.
Hard to remember
What we used to have, yeah. Oh,
Doesn't even matter, yeah, oh. You're always trying to fight it, yeah, oh.
Short rest, crab toe touches are next.
I can see see behind your eyes.
Lift yourself off the mat and touch the opposite toe with your hand, then get on the other side. Make sure you're focusing on using your triceps and engage your core here too.
You know me, I don't tell lies no more. No, how did you get into my house? I don't miss the old days, I can see. I don't tell them more. I don't tell them more. I don't tell them more. I don't miss the old days, I can see. I don't tell them more.
Great job everyone! We've passed the halfway mark now. Just 5 more minutes to go. Hang in there, we've got a longer rest coming up. Sit through is next. Get on all fours, then lift your knees off the mat. Now bring one leg under and over. Do it slow and controlled and be careful. You don't want to hurt your wrists.
What you gon' say? Bust up like a bouquet, yeah. Say your name and you go away.
I see behind your eyes and you know me. I don't tell lies no more. No, how did you get into my house?
I don't miss the old days, I can see behind your eyes and you know me. I don't tell lies no more.
Short rest now, we've got bear walks.
I don't miss the old days, I can see.
Have your knees bent at 90 degrees. Now take a step forward with your right leg and left arm. And then move backwards and repeat. This can be a little bit hard to coordinate if you're not used to the exercise, but it'll get easier.
Tell lies no more, no. How did you get into my house? I don't miss the old days, I can see.
20 seconds rest now, and you need to push through for asymmetric push-ups coming next.
We got it, we could reach it, yeah, we got it. And you know I'm feeling good like that, so what you gonna do? And I can't stop thinking about you, but what you gonna do?
Rest one elbow on the mat and the other placed below your shoulders. Now try your best to perform a push-up while maintaining a straight back. I know push-ups aren't everyone's favorites, so if you're struggling with these, just do it while on your knees.
What you gonna do?
Now let's swap over to the other side. You got this.
What you gonna do? I've been in the good times already.
10 seconds rest now and we've got back extensions. Just 3 more to go after this.
We could reach it, yeah, we got it.
Lay flat on the mat with your face facing down. Then lift your arms up, then pull them down, working your back.
What you gonna do?
Get on all fours, bird dog is next. Lift the alternate leg and arm up at the same time, and then repeat on the other side. Make sure your core is engaged.
I know you're sick of the games that I play. You better bet I mean what I say. Bitches thrive when they kill and I slay. Better keep hiding, cause my rage is frightening. You still wanna fight me, there's no shame in crying. Wish I could erase the memory of you from my system. Is there a drug that you're taking cause your story's tripping? Everybody follows me, not healers.
Nice work guys, almost done with the workout. 10 seconds rest and we've got up and down planks. If you're new to my workout and find this difficult, it's okay. You'll get stronger over time. Short rest now and let's finish off with plank leg lift. While on the low plank, lift one leg up at a time. Make sure your core, glutes, and quads are working to keep yourself balanced. And let's finish this.
So obsessive, send another desperate message on your knees. I got you begging, I forgot I meant to mention. You ain't nothing when you tryna be sick. You ain't nothing.
And that's the workout, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this upper body workout. Please hit the like button for me. It helps my video and channel out a lot. And also please check out my merch store if you want to support my channel. I'll really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next workout. Bye!